What's going on, guys? Garrett here from Core Performance with yet another one of the many ways that you can set up your IcePlate EXO Gen 3. So this EXO is configured as a forward-thinking concept for a loadout for an SAS operator, or the Special Air Service. So these guys are the pinnacle of the British Army in special operations, and that makes it quite apt to align their peak physical performance with performance-enhancing tools like our thermal regulation systems. So let's talk about what's on this plate carrier that would allow SAS operators to inoculate themselves against heat casualties and heat injuries in the field. Starting up top on the shoulders, as always, we have our IceFence Aero shoulder pads for comfort padding and standoff ventilation. We also have our IceFence plate carrier ventilation pontoons on the inside of the front plate bag. On the top of the front plate bag here, we have a Juggernaut phone case to hold your phone for location and communication necessities. Then we have a Dynamic Principles placard with 3 5.56 magazines inside of it, and in front of that, we have a Blue Force Gear GP pouch, and then below the placard, we have a Dynamic Principles tourniquet holder with a tourniquet inside of it. On the side of the placard here, we have a Therm battery vault for extra batteries, and then on the very bottom, we have a Faro Concepts Roll 1 with all of the medical and trauma kit necessities. Moving on to the side here, we have our ice flask inside of its ice flask wing holster. That's gonna give you 16.9 fluid ounces of hydration and cooling and heating right there on the negative space in your plate carrier if you configure it in the wing position. Then mounted to the Axle Equinox Curve Run, we have a frag pouch, an Eagle Industries frag pouch with a frag grenade inside of it. And then on the inside of the Curve Run, we have a side armor pouch from Cry Precision. On the inside of the rear plate bag, we have our IMS Pro Gen 3, which houses our all-new IcePlate Gen 3, which gives you cooling, heating, and hydration right there on your back. Moving on to the back, we have 2 Dynamic Principles bang pouches with some flashbangs inside of them for team use, and then a large GP pouch from Blue Force Gear. Onto the other side, we've got another one of those side armor plate pouches with side armor inside of it mounted to the Axle Equinox Curve Run. We've got a Spiritus Systems radio pouch with our radio inside of it connected to a PTT up here, and then we have a smoke pouch with a smoke inside of it from Blue Force Gear. That's gonna do it for this setup, guys. We hope you found this both informative and enjoyable. If you are in the British Army, if you're an SAS operator and this looks like something that you would run, let us know. And don't forget to like and subscribe. We post one of these every Friday at noon. So let us know what the next build is that you guys would like to see on our channel. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay frosty.